Hello everyone, I'm Egan. Welcome to another episode of Bitget Tutorials. Now, you've probably heard of the term decentralized exchange, or DEX, popping up here and there. But what does it really mean? Simply put, DEXs are markets where users can bypass intermediaries and buy and sell tokens using liquidity pools. Overall, this means you'll have low transaction fees, instant transactions, and opportunities to buy tokens at the lowest prices. So you're wondering, how does MegaSwap come into play? Well, MegaSwap is Bitget's feature that allows access to not only just one, but over 10 DEXs across 8 different chains, as well as 10,000 listed and unlisted tokens, all from the comfort of your Bitget account. It means there's no need to create a new crypto wallet. Plus, you get to enjoy all of Bitget's security features. Here's how to use MegaSwap. So of course, first you have to log into your Bitget account, hover over to the trade tab, which is right here, go down to MegaSwap, click on that. And to deposit, you need to first click on the token that you would like to trade in and swap in. So for me, I want to go to Polygon USDT. I click on that and I click on deposit so that I can put money into the MegaSwap wallet. Once I click on that, there are 2 options. I can either deposit directly from my spot wallet that I have on Bitget, or I can use an external wallet and send crypto to my MegaSwap wallet. So if I were to do that, I would click on the send from external wallet and you can copy this address and then you can send it from an external wallet. However, for this video, I want to show you how to do it from our spot wallet. So let's go back, click on deposit, and let's deposit directly from our spot wallet. So we click on that. This will take you to the withdrawal page. Currently, I have some USDT, so I want to select USDT and select the network. For me, I want to use the Polygon network, Matic, so I will click on that. And then you will see here, withdraw to a MegaSwap address. We click on that and you will see the MegaSwap wallet address will directly appear and we select the amount. For me, let's just do 10. I want to do 10 USDT. However, there is a fee, a $1 fee, because everything is on chain. So let's do 11. That way I will receive 10 USDT. Once all the info is correct, we click submit. So once you see this, read through it, have the I have read and agreed to the above agreement clicked, and then you click on agree and confirm. From here, you just have to put in the verification codes and then you click confirm. Once you withdraw, you will see this page appear. That means your withdrawal has been successful. And now we wait for the crypto to arrive at our MegaSwap wallet. So let's get back to the MegaSwap page. Again, we go to trade, MegaSwap, select the token. So for me, it was on Polygon, and you will see I have 10 USDT on Polygon deposited. So I click on that. I want to use USDT to buy Polygon. So for me, I will also click Polygon, which is Matic, and input the amount that you want to sell. Let's just type in 10. And MegaSwap will automatically compute and find the best channel with the lowest rates for you. MegaSwap actually has identified DFYN as the best channel to purchase Matic. And once you've taken note of the slippage, the price impact, and also the fee, all you gotta do is click on swap. And there's the last confirmation. You just click on confirm and the order has been submitted. And that's it, it's that easy. To check your transaction history, all you gotta do is select the asset icon and go to MegaSwap, orders. From here, you will see the transaction is currently swapping. All of your transactions will be shown right here. So that is where you go and check it out. There you have it. You've just MegaSwapped your first DEX token on Bitget. If you've enjoyed this video, please help us grow by hitting that like and subscribe button. For new users, earn a bonus of up to 5,005 USDT when you download the Bitget app today. And if you'd like to keep up with all things Bitget, check out and follow our socials listed in the description box below. Stay tuned for more Bitget tutorials like these, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.